Good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Samuel once again. In this video, I'm going to show you or teach you about crypto from the beginning. I'm going to tell you about blockchains, about crypto, about exchanges, just general background information that every new person to crypto needs to get started. Alright, so in the process of the video, I might be sharing some links, going through some websites, drawing up some things. All of those things I'm doing, or all of the things I'll be doing, are aimed at making you understand crypto. Okay, crypto is easy when it is explained to you to the minutest details. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the point. So I'll open my browser, I'll search for coin market cap, and then I'll open it up. All right. But before I do that, what you need to understand is that the same way you have transactions across banks. Let's say this is C, this is A, and then this is B. And let's assume that I am A, you are B, then the central bank is C. If I send money from myself to you, right, it is going to be recorded in the bank's record, right? Then that is from my bank. Let's assume I'm using UPA. Then from my bank maybe to your access, then that same record will be updated for central bank, and then at the same time updated in my own bank that yes, I've sent money. So you've seen information flow, right? Information flow from my bank to access bank to central bank, with this guy being the central authority, right? That is how crypto works, but without C. Okay, so if we will draw it again, what it means is that crypto is a world of finance that deals with the selling, buying, and transfer or holding of assets from a point A or a person A to person B. Okay, and all of this thing happens what? It happens over the internet. So it is a world of finance over the internet. Okay, now in the case of the bank we did, the bank formed our C. Okay, the central bank formed our C, and then we said there's always a transfer of information across these three guys, right? Across these three guys, with the central authority being the central bank. Okay, especially in Nigeria. Now, when it comes to crypto proper, we said again, to reiterate, we said that everything happens between the parties involved. So party A, which is me for instance, and party B, which is you, right? Now there's a transfer of money over the internet. Now there's a system that records all of these transactions, similar to the way that banks record their transaction across each other. Okay, that system is called blockchain. Okay, so if you've not heard of blockchain before, this is a very good place to hear about blockchain. So blockchain. So it is that ledger or that financial record, okay, that financial system that records every transaction. Okay, so if you are transferring from UBA to Access Bank, the two banks will have the record. Central bank will also have the record. In crypto, we call that the blockchain, right? We call that the blockchain. Now, so blockchain is what records what transaction. Okay, it records transaction. Now it records transaction across chains. Okay, remember it is called blockchain. So it records transaction across chains, similar to the way that transaction is recorded across OPay, PalmPay, UBA, Access Bank, and every other microfinance bank you have in Nigeria. Right? The same way all our crypto transactions are recorded on chain, on the blockchain, right? Meaning that on that global system or global ledger that records our transaction, where is my brush? That records our transaction. There are different chains. So, for instance, we have Ethereum, we have Aptos, APT, this is ETH, right? We have, for instance, BNB, right? We have SUI, right? We have a lot of different blockchains. We have Polygon, okay? Before it was Matic, now it is Polygon, right? So we have different chains. If it is still confusing you, just think of the different blockchains like different SIM cards or different SIM networks. And hope you know that no matter how much recharge card you have on a particular SIM network, let's say MTN, you cannot transfer that recharge card to a Glow number, right? That's how blockchains work also. So you might have funds in a particular blockchain. Let's say you are holding funds on Ethereum, is a blockchain, right? You cannot send those funds to somebody that is on Polygon, for instance. Okay, you cannot. If you want to send that particular funds, I'm trying to see if I can clean it. Okay, if you want to send funds across different chains, then it's either you swap or you bridge. Okay, it's either you swap, let me, it's either you swap one token A or B, or you bridge. Okay, you bridge A to B. You see that? Okay, you bridge or you swap, right? So we're saying or we're maintaining that crypto works with networks or different blockchains the same way you have different SIM cards and different banks. Okay, so let's clean everything all at once, right? So let's go back to coin market cap now. So coin market cap is a tool, is a crypto tool that you can use for your research. Okay, an alternative of coin market cap is your coin gecko, this guy, right? So it's either you go with this or you go with the other one. I have both on my phone, so that if I'm trying to search for a particular thing that is not on coin market cap, it's likely going to be on coin gecko. Okay, so I'll open coin market cap just for the purpose of this tutorial. So it may prompt me to open the app on my phone. So I'll go ahead and open the app on my phone. So we've talked about blockchains, we talked about crypto. We said it is money on the internet, right? So if you heard of projects like Hamster, TapSwap, Notcoin, Dogs, Cats, and the rest, right? If you notice, most of those projects are actually games or simulations, but they are giving airdrop, they are giving money, right? What it means is that crypto is usually a utility attached to a particular project or a particular solution on the internet. So if for instance, let me digress. If for instance I built Aptos just celebrated their second anniversary. This guy's APT, excuse me, APT Aptos, a very nice blockchain. They just celebrated their second year anniversary, right? Now, so what you should understand is that for this guy, this is a project, this is a solution. But around the project, around the solution, they created a particular token. Okay, the spelling is Aptos, the token is APT. APT. All right. So around this solution, right? There is what? There is a token or a particular crypto that they have created. The purpose of this token, this crypto, is to give or to facilitate the usage of this product or this solution. So as you are using it, you earn token. You earn what? You earn apt token. Okay. This is apt. This is it. Just so that I will point out, this is Aptos. Okay. one Aptos is about $8, close to $9, one single Aptos token. Right? So let's go back. Blockchains. So if I click on chains, just in case if you're not seeing, if I click on chains, you will notice that these chains are arranged based on their market cap. I think that is based on the amount of transaction on that particular chain, or on that particular bank, or on that particular network, just so that you understand. Okay, if you check, this is a 24 hours stuff. This is 24 hours ranking. So according to this ranking, Ethereum is the first, right? Then Tron, then Solana, then Binance Smart Chain, then Arbitrum, Avalanche, Polygon, Base, Sui, Optimism, Near, Kronos, Bitcoin. You see, Geonosis, Aptos, blah 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 blah. All of these things are chains. Okay. Now remember, we're trying to make you understand crypto from scratch. Now, so what it means is that we just carry one of these chains, we pair with another chain. I've explained this earlier, but I'll reiterate. So this is what I mean. So we cannot send Tron to Optimism network. It will not go. If you force it, you lose your money. You lose your money. If you force it, you lose your money. The proper way to do it is, if you want to send Tron to you want to have Tron on Optimism network, is either you swap your Tron. Okay, there are websites that help you do that. There are crypto websites that help you do the swap. Is either you swap the Tron for Optimism. The symbol for Optimism is OP. Okay, all of these cryptos you are seeing, they have tickers. Okay, like Tron, I think it's TRX. Then for Optimism is OP. For Base, for Polygon is POL. Right? Arbitrum is ARB. BSC is BSC. Solana is SOL. Right? So all of those are tickers. So we're saying that you cannot send from Tron to, for instance, Optimism. You have to use a bridge, or you have to swap. So you swap A for B. In this case, you swap Tron for Tron. Okay, so to go back again, we're saying that all of these different chains you're seeing, they are actually solutions. Remember, the reason why we even have crypto and blockchains and the rest is because money is regulated so much in the present financial system sector. Okay, financial system or sector, it is so much regulated. If for instance you have money in USD, right, and you want to send, or you have Naira. Okay, let's assume somebody has USD, right, and want to send money to somebody that uses Naira. Before the money gets to you, if you are using normal bank, before the money gets to you, it will take a lot of business days. Okay, it will take a lot of business days for that money to reach you, right? Plus the whole conversion along the way, it's a problem. So because of that, and also because wealth is not distributed fairly in that kind of a system, the system also regulates how much you can spend in a day. If you've noticed, on your OPay, PalmPay, whatever bank, right, you have a threshold of how much you can actually spend in a day. But it's not so with crypto. So crypto brings a lot of solution over the internet. Then there's a token attached to it. The token is to incentivize you, so that right now, if you look at what we are seeing, if you check Base has 73 projects under it. Polygon has 317. Avalanche has 212. Arbitrum has 318. BSC has 435. All of these projects are different solutions devs or software engineers have created. Okay, they create solutions. So you see, all of these guys, all of these chains have projects under them. So the project aims to solve a particular problem, then they create a token around the economy of that problem, so that as you are solving that problem, you'll be rewarded. So that for people like me and you, when a project launches, we can buy the token of that project, hold or trade the token to make profit. You can hold for a while, you make profit. You can trade it over centralized exchanges, which will come to very soon, and then you still make money, right? But note that crypto is actually a financial system built around every solution on the internet or on chain, right? So let's just explore. For instance, we'll go into Ethereum. I don't know if you can see the project on Ethereum, but Ethereum is the second um what's it called? Second biggest blockchain network. Okay, second biggest blockchain network based on market cap, meaning based on the trading daily trading volume. Okay, or the trading volume. Okay. Um, I think I'm having issues with network. Let me try Wi-Fi and see of my Wi-Fi. Okay, I'll refresh. I don't have network. I don't have the data on the Wi-Fi. So let's see if it will refresh. If it will not refresh, okay. Are you seeing different projects under Ethereum? For instance, look at Lido, look at Edging Layer, look at Uniswap. You see, yeah, Uniswap version 2 and 3. Um, let's see Swell, right? Swell. So a lot of different projects. If you go into them and read what they are attempting to do, you'll see that they are actually innovations. Let me open Uniswap and see. So they are actually innovations. Okay, if you read the info or historical data, blah 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 blah, or the portfolio, you get to get other information about that particular project. Okay, so we've established that crypto is a solution or crypto is money on the internet. Then we'll establish that um, the same way banks record transactions across each other or between each other, in crypto, what records transaction is blockchains, right? And we're saying that we have a lot of chains. Okay, if I keep scrolling, right here we have about 50, but I know there are more than that. Then this is what chains. But we have also what we call exchanges. Okay, to understand exchanges, you need to understand how. Yeah, let's just go back to normal trade by barter. Trade by barter, you have money, you want to exchange. You have salt, you need meat. Somebody has meat but wants salt. What do? You exchange, right? Yeah. So exchanges are markets where you trade tokens, buy tokens, hold tokens, save tokens, send tokens, receive tokens. Okay. For instance, the biggest based on market cap is Binance. Okay. So all of these other guys you are seeing, they are all markets where you can buy and sell crypto, hold crypto, save in crypto, blah 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 blah. All of these things are what? They are exchanges. Okay. Now, another name for exchange is centralized exchange. I'll write it so that you have it in your head once and for all. Another name for exchanges is centralized exchanges or SEC. Okay, or SECs. Okay, centralized exchanges. Centralized because they are the ones that manage your funds for you. They manage your money. Okay, so if you have $50 in on Binance, Binance is the one managing it for you, meaning you don't need anything like seed phrase or private key. We'll explain that shortly. Okay. Now, so remember we said another name for exchanges is what? Is SEC or SEXs. CEX. Right? Now, there's another one which is different that we call DEX. Okay. Now, DEX are different from SEC. SEC, you have a single authority, single crypto authority managing your funds for you. Okay. But in DEX, you are the one managing your funds for yourself. So when we talk about centralized exchange like Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, OKX, Upbit, HTX, Kraken, Gate.io, this guy, KuCoin, Mex, BitGet, Crypto.com, all of these guys will help you manage it. So you don't need seed phrase. Okay, seed phrase is backdoor to your crypto assets. All right, so all of these guys manage for you. But when you come to DEX, this guy, this particular guy, you will be the one managing all your crypto tokens, crypto funds on your own, meaning you have to download a particular wallet that belongs to a particular network. Okay, so for instance, we've talked about a lot of networks earlier, like Solana, right? Let's just browse a bit. So for Solana, you can use Phantom Wallet. Okay, Phantom Wallet, you see a ghost-like picture. Okay, you can download it. You can, excuse me, you can download it as an app on your mobile phone, or you can download it as an extension in a special browser, for instance, Mrs. Browser. Okay, so let me show you. I have Phantom Wallet on my phone. If I open, I'll use my thumbprint to open, and you see that there's a little bit of funds inside. Okay, so to interact with the blockchain, are you seeing? This is my Solana wallet. To interact with the blockchain that is called Solana, I need Phantom wallets. I might need other kinds of wallets that are Solana based wallets. Okay, now before I continue explaining, what you need to understand is what we call crypto, right, is a set of rules also. Okay, set of rules programmed by software developers to trigger, okay, when certain conditions are met. So I am holding 5 USDT, and I'm saying that if the market gets to point X, I'm holding 5 USDT, 5 USDT, and I'm saying that the market is going up and down, and I'm saying when the market gets to point X, excuse me, when the market gets to this point, right, it should sell, so that I'll go out in a profit. So my $5 becomes, for instance, $8. Okay, why are we going this way? We're going this way because what you call crypto, yes, it is financial asset, it is money on the internet, but you need to understand that it is also software that was programmed and uploaded to the blockchain. So Solana is programming, Ethereum is programming, Bitcoin is programming, all the crypto chains that you know, they are all programming. The tokens also programming. That is why you can search for a particular token on that particular token scanner. Okay, so back to our point, we're talking about Phantom. If you are interacting with Solana blockchain, you need Phantom wallet, or you need Soulflare wallet, or Nightly wallet, right? Now, if you are also interacting with Ethereum, which is ETH. If you're interacting with Ethereum, you need an EVM compatible wallet like MetaMask. So EVM is Ethereum Virtual Machine. So you need an EVM compatible wallet, for instance, MetaMask. Okay, MetaMask. Apart from MetaMask, you can use what's it called? There's this new Rabi wallet. Yes, you can use Rabi wallet. You can use OKX Web3 wallet, Binance Web3 wallet, Bybit Web3 wallet, Coin, and the rest. All of them that have wallets, BitGet Web3 wallets. You can use their wallets as long as it's EVM compatible, right? So we're saying that crypto is solution on what? Internet, right? And that solution, they create an economy around that solution. The economy has to do with money so that people can be incentivized. This money they create around the solution, which is on the internet, this money they create is actually programmed. It's programmed, so it is software. That is why your wallet can be hacked. Okay, that is why you can lose your funds if you are not careful. If you keep your phone and somebody that knows about crypto access your phone, there's going to be a problem, right? Right. So in this video we have established a lot. I know it is long, right? It is long. So you have different chains. Now, how do you earn in crypto? You earn in crypto in several ways. You earn in crypto in several ways. Let me see if I can see an empty screen or can get a whiteboard. You earn in crypto in several ways. Let's see if I can use this whiteboard. In several ways. You can participate in airdrops, okay? Airdrops and get free money. You can trade, right? You can do arbitrage. You can do mainnet interactions. You can do retros. You can save in crypto, right? You can be a P2P merchant. You see that? You can do test nets. So there are different ways actually that you can earn in crypto. So it is a world of finance on the internet. All you need to do is have a mobile phone or a functional laptop that has internet connection, right? Know the sites to visit, okay? Know the sites to visit, know what to do. Okay, so you can trade either spot, you can trade perpetuals, you can trade meme coins. If you heard of Shiba, if you heard of Notcoin, especially if you heard of dogs is a meme. If you heard of cats is a meme. Okay, I won't go further into explaining what meme coins are, right? But the most important thing is to know that crypto is money on the internet that projects create around their solution to facilitate or incentivize people to use their solution. So we're saying, for instance, just so that I'll recap briefly before we go off. We were saying that if, for instance, you have a solution. Okay. Should I give a proper explanation? Okay, let me give a proper explanation. You have different tokens or crypto, right? Either on your centralized exchange or decentralized exchange, right? You have different crypto. Now, let's assume you bought a meme coin, for instance, Notcoin, right? You bought Notcoin. Now, that Notcoin, if you notice, Notcoin is prone to market movements, right? Now, so you may need to, if you are afraid of your money, if you are afraid of the market playing with your money, you can convert this your Notcoin to a particular token, any other token. But there is one token, a crypto token called USDT. This USDT is the equivalent of your normal USD, normal dollar. But the difference or the similarities between these two is that they are moving at 1-to-1 ratio. Okay, they move at 1-to-1 ratio. Meaning that if USDT is 2k, normal 2k that you know, then normal USD will be what? It will also be 2k. So the solution that USDT brings is that if you have a token like Notcoin or any other token that you are afraid of market volatility, you can just convert that token to USDT, so that even if the market is moving up and down, you are hedged against the market. So your $5 will still remain your $5, or your $5 worth of Notcoin will still remain your $5 worth of Notcoin. So you see that it is a solution they are bringing, but they have a token around this their USDT solution. Okay, so the name of the company is Tether. You can browse it. Tether is Tether. So Tether created the USDT, a stable coin. Are you saying that? So that is crypto. So it is programming software. They program the software to move 1:1. So for every one USDT that there is, what Tether attempted to do is to, for every $1 you bring, there's one USDT. So they are going in tandem. I don't want to go into the details too much. You see that? So that is what crypto is. Crypto is financial solution on the internet. Okay? On the internet. So what records every transaction? If I'm sending I'm sending a particular crypto between A and B. What records it is the blockchain. Okay? And we're saying that the blockchain has several networks. Okay, it has several networks, all with their advantages, disadvantages, blah 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 blah, all of those kinds of things. That is how it is. So that is crypto for you. So it is financial solution around a particular, it is financial incentive around a particular solution on the internet. And steadily we are moving towards what? Decentralization. Okay, we're moving from centralization where banks have to control your money to where you are in charge of your money. So that in that wallet explanation we're doing, this wallet explanation, what happens is that each wallet that you are managing, remember we came from this point, where is that place? We came from this point where, okay, we're using the app. Okay, we came from this point where we said we have centralized exchange, right? We have centralized exchange, and these are centralized exchange and decentralized exchange. And we said to interact with decentralized exchange, you need a wallet. And we're also saying that that wallet that you need can be different depending on the chain you are dealing with. And based on the chain you are dealing with, right? And we said those wallets are softwares that have been programmed. Now, those wallets, you are in total control of them, meaning you have the password to them. What you call password is what we call seed phrase, which I abbreviate to SP, seed phrase, or private key. All of these are what? Cryptographic terms. Okay, so that your seed phrase, in a moment, your seed phrase, right, and your private key, they are similar, but seed phrase is, let's say, 12 different words or 24 different words depending on the chain. Okay, for instance, Ton blockchain, I know you must have heard of Ton. They use 24. EVM normally uses EVM, that is Ethereum virtual machine, that is tokens on the Ethereum network. Let me just bring it. Seed phrase, private key, right? So what you call password is what we call seed phrase. What you call password is what we call private key. So anytime you are creating a wallet, you need to back up this private key or seed phrase. Okay, preferably in a notebook. Okay, because anybody that have access to those words, whether those 12 or 24 words, has the backdoor to your wallet. The person does not need password again. He does not need thumbprint. the person can access anything you have in that your wallet. So if your wallet has like, let's say $100, $200, if that guy has a hold of your private key or seed phrase, he can transfer it. There's no need for password again. Even in doing transaction, it's not like OPay that when you want to send, you now put the password. No. As long as the person has your private key or seed phrase, that person can make transaction on your behalf. And that is how some crypto scams happen. So I know my video was long, but this is necessary. It's a one-time thing. I don't plan on doing another video on blockchains and crypto anymore or in the near future. I have an audio I created some time back. It's on my Telegram channel. Okay, which maybe I'll drop the link to my Telegram channel so that you can have access to the resources. But this is crypto for you in a nutshell. All right. So GM, to be seen in the next video.